And Lucy just sounds like a fairy princess. You're a fairy princess, and I'm a princess. I'm just a princess, and you are a princess.
Okay.
He wrote Tinkerbell. You're her friend, and you are Tinkerbell. Thank you. Now you can have a turn with the wand.
Okay, thanks. Boop. There you go. Say bibbidi bobbidi boo.